Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video right here on Solana. Wanted to make a new video this morning. I covered it yesterday. Yesterday we talked about that Solana looks quite strong and that it was most likely we would rally up higher. However, I did not expect this, right? And I was wrong about this because what I said in the video yesterday is that we could see something similar like we did the 16th of March and 20th of March by rallying up to 136 right here. But I said I don't think we're going to be able to hold that, and I think we'll fall back down to at least a POC here at 127 afterwards. And right now, I mean, look, there's quite a lot we have to talk about, so that is certainly what we will do. But the main thing is the leverage, all right? The leverage, which you can see right here for Solana, which I already told you about yesterday. Yesterday, Solana was already like this small move we had during the weekend from the POC area at 127 was already quite leveraged, and you can see that over the course of this Asian session, a lot more leverage came in. So I still think that is something you do need to know about, and that's something you do need to be, well, not worried about, but you have to take it into account when considering what's most likely for Solana. Like, we could still drop down into 132 easily, and this could also technically still be a fake out, even though I think that's quite harsh, right? I mean, there's we left behind quite a big imbalance here with this big green candle that we had overnight. So we might feel the imbalance, but it does look like, judging from the strength, especially from the stock market, which translates into strength for crypto, and the support we have at 132, it does seem most likely we're going to be able to hold that. The leverage is quite high, like I said, so that's, again, you should take that into account. But there actually is a strong spot volume increase as well. It has grown about 130%. Fundamentally, there's look, I just made a video on Sonic. Sonic fundamentally has a reason to be bullish. With Solana, that's a different story. DEX trading volumes are basically flat and still relatively low. TVL is bottoming out, but that mainly has to do with the price bottoming out. So I don't see a reason why you should be very bullish on Solana, but it does look like we're actually forming somewhat at least of a bearish flag, which does mean that I think it's most likely that we'll fill the imbalance. But that with this low time frame bullish structure, I do think we'll be able to get into our main resistance level, which is around 145, 150, as that is historically also, if you go back in time, that's the POC of this entire area where most of the volume has been traded. It's a bit of an area, so it goes from, let's say, 142 all the way up to 148. Now 150 is a psychological level just above that, so I see that as one area. But it does look likely that we'll be able to get into that. Like I said, I do think we'll get rid of that leverage. And I do think we'll have some sort of, like today, for example, during the US opening, stock markets are trading much higher. So we might see some sort of a gap fill to the downside, pushing everything down, finding support, and then a continuation. So something like that I definitely do expect. But like I said, I think Solana has gathered enough strength over the course of this weekend, and just in general in this structure, to at least get a move into that POC. So that's what I think is most likely. Just be aware that this volatility will occur, or that there's a very high likelihood for this for this volatility. And like I said earlier, I mean, even though this looks strong for Solana, I still think there's altcoins that look stronger over the course of today. Obviously, the entire market has gone up quite a bit with the bullish momentum from Bitcoin. So it's not just Solana. Be aware of that as well. But that's what I think you need to know for now. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.